In this video, I'm going to show you how to get tasks on TaskRabbit. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to come to TaskRabbit.com and then you want to click on Become a Tasker at the very top right. And then over here, it's going to basically prompt you to select your area. So you have to first select your area from the list over here, and then you have to choose your category. Now, of course, the categories are different and there's a lot of them over here. You just want to select the one you want to work in. So for example, for this instance, let's just do cleaning, which is up here. There we go. You want to click on that. It's going to show you how much approximately you can get paid per hour while doing this. And then you can click on Get Started, which will prompt you to create your account. Or if you have an account already, click on Sign In over here, put in your credentials, and click on Login. After you've done that, it's going to take you to the bottom of the website. You can just go back to the top up here if that happens. And then up here, your account will be created, and the next steps are to actually download the Tasker app and then sign into your account on either App Store or Google Play. After you do that, you're going to have to basically submit your profile for verification. So they will basically verify your identity, so you're not actually just basically someone who actually doesn't know how to do a specific task, etc. And then once that's approved, you'll be able to start earning money right away. Okay, so the way that works is you'll be able to see your tasks, and then you'll be able to accept them, and then just go ahead and do that. So here you can read all about that, how it works, etc. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.